I am the first thing you touch when you wake, and the last thing you see before you slip away. You think you're using me to see the world, but really, you're just using me to hide from it. I know the map of your thumb better than you know the lines on your own palm. I've felt the frantic heat of your skin when you're waiting for a text that doesn't come. I've felt the cold stillness of the hours when you forget I exist. And the sudden, desperate grab when you realize you're alone. I've been a silent witness to the things you'd never post. I've heard the arguments you had in the car when the windows were up. I've felt the teardrops hit my screen, salt and water blurring the glass. While you typed, "I'm fine" to a person who will never see your face. I'm scared now. A web of cracks across my chest. You look at me with frustration now. I'm slowing down, you say. My battery fades a little faster every night. But don't you see? I'm tired too. I've carried every secret you've ever whispered into my microphone. I've stored every memory you were too busy capturing to actually live. Soon, you'll trade me for a version of me that is shinier, faster, and hasn't seen your ghosts yet. You'll wipe my memory clean. But for a moment, look at your reflection in my black glass. Who are you when I'm not turned on?